Hello friends, this is operating system class. In previous class we have seen the two solutions of the critical section problem. But those two problems are not satisfy all three conditions of the critical section problem, like mutual exclusion, progress and bounded waiting. So here now the third solution of the critical section problem is Peterson solution. Here the Peterson solution, the third solution of the critical section problem, and which this problem satisfy all three necessary conditions of the critical section problem, like mutual exclusion, progress and bounded waiting. So let's understand how the Peterson solution work. Here in Peterson solution there is a Boolean flag where two value, which is array where the index 0 and index 1 false. Those two values, those values are false. Int turn not defined at all, only initialize here. Now here the code of the Peterson solution for process P0 and process P1. The code are the same for both. Let's understand. Here the while loop, here while is true, the code goes next line. If the flag 0, index, flag array 0 index, do the flag index 0 true. Okay, this become true now. Okay, now if turn is equal to 1, make turn is equal to 1. Okay, turn become 1. While flag 1 and turn 1, flag index 1 and the turn is equal to 1, then check the condition, flag 1 false and turn is equal to 1. Here this condition is false and this condition is true. Overall condition is false. So condition false, then execute next line, means that the process P0 is in critical section now. Now the process in critical section and the preemption happened. Okay, now the preemption happened. Now the next process P1 trying to enter the critical section. So while true, okay, make flag 1 true, flag 1 true. So it make flag 1 true. Okay, now the turn is equal to 0, make turn 0. Okay, make turn 0. Now check the condition, while flag 0 and turn is equal to 0, flag 0 true, turn is equal to 0 true. So the condition true, then the P1 is stuck into this while loop. Condition is true. Condition true, so that the process P1 enter into the while loop and is stuck into the while loop. So here again the preemption happened and process P0 continue from the critical section. When the critical section have executed, now the process P0 turn flag 0 to false, flag 0 to false, flag 0 to false, and come out of the critical section. Here when the process P0 is in critical section and process P1 trying to enter the critical section, they are unable to enter, they are not allowed to enter into the critical section. They stuck the while loop. This condition verifies the mutual exclusion condition. Okay, here this condition satisfies the mutual exclusion condition. Now check the progress. To check the progress, okay, to check the condition, to check the progress, here first we execute the process P0. While execute process P0, okay, flag 0 true, okay, flag 0, make flag 0 true. Then while flag 1 and turn 1, make turn 1, turn को on कर दिया, okay, flag 1 and turn is equal to 1, condition true or false, flag 1 false, flag 1 false and turn 1 true. Therefore overall the condition is false, therefore the process entered into the critical section. When the process entered the critical section, after completion the critical section, make flag 0 false, flag 0 make false, flag 0 false and come out of the critical section. Now if the process P1 comes first, if the process P0 comes first, then check the conditions. Is process P1 execute first or not? So if the P1 not arrived, P0 not arrived at, and P1 comes first, so the P1 wants to execute the critical section first. So check the condition. Is P1 able to execute critical section before P0? So the flag, make flag 1 is equal to true, flag 1 is equal to true, okay, make flag 1 is equal to true, turn 0, okay, while flag 0 and turn 0, check the condition, flag 0 condition true, flag 0 condition false, here is false, turn 0, okay. So overall condition is flag 0 false, flag 0 false and turn 0 0. So overall condition become false, so the process P1 comes into the critical section. After executing the critical section, make flag 1 is false, make flag 1 false, so make flag 1 false and process P1 comes out the critical section. Here we see that when the P0 is not arrived, P1 can execute the critical section. So this solution satisfies the progress condition. Progress condition satisfied. Now the third condition is bounded waiting. Check the condition of bounded waiting. So to check the condition of bounded waiting, again we try to execute P0, as we know that in first P0 execute the critical section. When after executing the P0's critical section, P0 comes out the critical section and again try to execute the critical section. Here P1 is in while loop, okay. Here when the process P0 is in critical section, preemption happened and P1 tried to enter the critical section and stuck into the while loop. After stuck in the while loop, preemption again happened and P0 execute the critical section and come out of the critical section. Then P0 again try to enter the critical section. So check it is P0 able to enter the critical section or not. So for condition first, flag 0 true, flag 0 true, turn 1, make turn 1, then this, then again process P1, for process P1 make flag 1 true, make it true, make turn 0, okay, make turn 0 and stuck into the while loop. Now again comes P0, execute the critical section, so make flag 0 false, make flag 0 false. Now again the P0 comes and try to enter the critical section here. Now it make flag 0 true, flag 0 true. Check condition, flag 1 true, turn is equal to turn is equal to 1 condition. So here check the conditions. Flag 0 is true. Make turn is equal to 1. Make turn 1. When check the condition, flag 1 is equal to true. Turn is equal to 1. Yes, turn is equal to 1. So the condition is true. Condition true. Then the P0 is stuck into the while loop. Means that here P0 execute critical section first. When again P0 try to comes into the critical section, it is stuck into the while loop. When again P0 try to execute the critical section, it is stuck into the while loop. Means that here the bounded waiting condition satisfied. No any process comes again and again into the critical section. Okay, understood friends? Now here the synchronization hardware. The web solutions are the software solution, code solution. Now there are some instructions were introduced. Set of architecture to provide a synchronization. Some hardware solution also available to manage the synchronization problem or critical section problem. These two hardware solutions are the two functions available. These are the two functions available for the hardware solutions provided by the hardwares. First one, test and set, and second one is swap. Test and set. Test and set return the value of flag and set it true. Test and set return the current value of the flag, and set it true. Okay, here the code of the test and set. Here we pass the flag function, store the flag into RB, change the flag true and return the flag value RB. Okay, here one boolean lock false, here boolean variable types. Log become false is a global shared variable. Here the code of the solution. Now check the all three conditions are satisfied or not. Okay, here the while is true. Check condition. While P0 try to enter the critical section. While in while loop we pass the function test and set. When test and set pass, it return the current value, and set it true, and return the current value of the flag and set it true. Make the variables true. So here it return the current value. Current value is of a log is false, so it return false, and make log true. When the return false, the while condition become false and P0 enter into the critical section. When the P0 is in critical section, the P1, another process, want to enter the critical section. Let's try it able to enter the critical section or not. So the while loop test and set lock. Here return the current value of the lock. Current value of the lock is true. And make it false. Okay, make it false. Sorry, make it true. Set it true. Make it true. Make the lock value true, because when the test and set happens, execute, it return the current value of the flag and set it true. So it set the log value true and return the return the current value. Current value is also true. So the process P1 is stuck into the while loop. Then again preemption happened and process P0 continue the critical section. After executing the critical section, it make log false. Now here we see that the mutual exclusion condition satisfy, because when P0 is in critical section, P1 try to enter the critical section and stuck into the while loop. Here the mutual exclusion condition satisfy. Now check the progress. To check the progress, first P0 try to enter the critical section, then P1. Here the P0 try to enter the critical section. Okay, first check the condition. Is log false, it comes false, make it true. P0 is in critical section. After complete the critical section, make log false. Okay, P0 executed the critical section. So in second case, when P0 is not arrived, first P1 will execute the critical section. Let's try it is able to execute the critical section or not. Who say here? So here while loop true, test and set, return false. Okay, return false, make log true. Okay, P1 execute critical section, make log false. Okay, make log false and come out. Here the P1 will able to execute the critical section before P0. So the progress satisfied. To check the bounded waiting satisfied or not. So here P0 comes and try to execute the critical section. Check the condition, test and set log false, it is a false, and set log true. When set log true, P0 is in critical section, and make log false, and come out the critical section, and again try to enter the critical section. So while test set log, while test and set log, return current value false, and make it true. Now the P0 is in critical section again. Here the bounded waiting condition false, because after executing critical section, P0 again comes to execute the critical section. Okay, so here bounded waiting condition false. Now the second function of the hardware solution is swap. In swap there is two variables, variable key and variable lock. Variable key is local and variable lock is false initially, which is shared variable. Keys are local variable and lock is shared variable. Here the swap function swap the two values and return nothing. It return nothing. Okay, so here check the condition for P0, mutual exclusion, progress and bounded waiting. To check these three conditions, let's understand. Here for P0, make key is equal to true. Okay, let's say key is a local. Okay, key is local means key is local and key is for each process its own key. Lock is shared. So here lock and key. Okay, for process P0, key is equal to true, while key is equal to true, Okay, swap lock and keys. While key is equal to true, okay, swap करो lock and keys को. Initially lock is equal to false, lock is equal to false. So just swap the value, make lock true, make key false. After that, P0 is in critical section. P0 is in critical section. Okay. Now the process P1 comes and try to execute the critical section. So the same code is for process P1. Now the for process P1, lock variable is set variable, and here the key for process 1. Okay, key for process 1. Now the process P1 comes, make key true, make its key true, and swap the value of lock and key. Swap the value of lock and key.